shit, man. That's fucking horrible. Huh? Yeah.
Pretty damn deep, huh?
This is all Sergeant Merritt's fault. Had to go off-road. Sergeant Merritt sitting in there and shit. That's fucking ridiculous.
What?
That's fucking ridiculous.
Well, freaking stuck.
No shit, that's your fault.
Hey, how am I supposed to know this is a damn sinkhole?
Well,
This shit is ridiculous, man.
you should just know. Hey, spin him! Spin him! Spin him!
Hell, no, it ain't gonna do no good.
I know how I won't get on camera though. That's just shit. Look at that shit. Holy shit, we're stuck.